Hello. Today let's talk about the problems with the 3 beeps of death with your PlayStation 5. If you have this problem, like me, then it means you are going to boot your PlayStation 5 and nothing will be on your screen again, okay? To bring a solution for this problem is keep cool, okay? Your PlayStation can be back in business soon. Most of the time, and it was the same at my system, is the problem with the SIMPLINK. Okay, let's go. Let's perform this. We go to our television, go to the option of SIMPLINK, SIMPLINK, and disable this. HDMI CSC comes to you, and if it is an LG device, SIMPLINK itself is possible to other devices too. So you have to disable SIMPLINK because SIMPLINK is often the problem with the 3 beep of death. If you've done this, it's not finished, okay? This is not all. That means the next step, if you disable the SIMPLINK, you go and shut off your television. Then you have to power cycle it. Power cycling means there are the energy supply, unplug the PlayStation, wait approximately 1 minute. The same you perform, unplug your television, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in after that minute. And your PlayStation is power cycled, and additional, your television is power cycled. After the television is rebooted again, because it's a smart device, you go to HDMI settings and SIMPLINK again. And look that it is be disabled anymore. If you see it's disabled, okay, you can then start your PlayStation 5. After the restart, the PlayStation will be make a little fixing thing. And after this, you will be back in business. In 90% of all, of course, yeah? Then you're back on the screen of your PlayStation and you can make fun with it again. If this is not a solution, okay, then the next step is we go to the PlayStation. Yep, there's a PlayStation and you have a button over here. The right button is for DVD or Blu-ray. The left button is for power. We push and hold until we boot, we shut down the system. We wait until the LED is off and then we will restart our PlayStation. And we are going to restart it in the hidden menu, okay? And now it's on the ground, baby. Here we go. We push. Once you hear it, push and hold again until you hear the second beep sound. Here we are. Now we have to plug in our controller. Here we go. There it is. Connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Okay, let's perform this. We get this in position. Get it in. Here we are. Okay, PlayStation button push. And here we are. This is the safe mode of our PlayStation. Okay, now we can start or restart the PlayStation 5 with the first option. The second is change the video output. This is not a solution in our repair console storage. No, this is an automatic thing after your power cycling. So we does not need that right now. Update system software. Maybe this fix the problem. No, not in 3 beep of death, but maybe in other problems. Restore default settings. This is only if you if you have problems with your default settings, but it's not a fixed thing to make a troubleshooting in software problems. Clear cache and rebuild the database. This is a long time of running. Maybe it's not our thing. But here, reset PlayStation 5, but in the most of the time, go to 8, reset PlayStation 5 and reinstall the system software. Then you have a software-based fresh system after this, and you most of the time you fix your problem, okay? This is the most software-based solution for your PlayStation. And after that restart, here we are rebooting now, the software will be fixed anymore. That's really cool, and you can make it at home. And if this brings not your solution, you have to go to the support of Sony, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.